Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. You can make scarf, baby blanket, cardigan, many things with this pattern, whatever you want. It's easy, not hard that much. I hope you will like it. It has both sides same, not different. I used for this pattern 4mm hook. Hook number you should read your yarn label. Then what yarn label recommend hook number. I use this yarn recommend 4mm hook. I use 4mm hook. So this is double knitting yarn is 100 gram and 300 meters. So I use this one for this pattern. So you can use whatever. You should read your yarn's label. This yarn label says the 4mm hook. So that's why I use. I hope you will like this pattern. It's so easy. I will show you step by step. So let's start. This first I'm gonna make loop. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this pattern multiple 12. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 24. So I'm gonna make 5 more extra chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever your size, you can just but just plus 5 more, or you can say add 5 more chains extra. Just make 12, 12, then add 5 chains more. So I have 5 more. I'm gonna make in next one single crochet. So first row, make single crochet. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Make single crochet. So this row is ended now. So I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, chain 3, yarn over, not in same. This is the first double crochet. I'm gonna count this chain 3 in next stitch. So take first, I hope you will see well. First take 1 loop off, then 2 loops off, 2 loops off, triple crochet. So yarn over, I have 2 now, and this is it, 3. I have 3, 4, so I have 5 triple crochet, include this chain 3. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth, gonna make puff 1, 2, 3. Okay, then gonna close it like this. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, same stitch, make again puff. Yarn you should have loose for this pattern. 1 2 3, then close, again chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, same stitch, 1 2 3, then like this, yarn over, 1 2 3 in the fourth, then make triple crochet. Okay, hey, don't be naughty, what's wrong with you? Sometimes it's stuck. Yarn over in fourth, make triple. Okay, like this, next triple, 2 3 4 5, triple crochet. So yarn over, 1 2 3 in the fourth, again puff, 1 2 3, okay, chain 3, 1 2 3, close, chain 3, again same stitch, 1 2 3, close, so yarn over, skip 3, 1 2 3 and the fourth, make 1 2 3, the 4, so these 4 you can see, and which I skipped here, which I made single crochet, I'm gonna make 1 there, triple crochet like this, okay, 5, you can see how, 1 2 3, chain 3, yarn over, I'm gonna make here front post, triple crochet but front post like this, yarn over, so include this chain 3 is 5, I have 5, chain 3, 1 2 3, top of this middle puff, make single crochet stitch, chain 3 again, yarn over, again front post here, 1 2 3 4 5 and chain 3 here, chain 3, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. So I have 5. You can see how it look like. Chain 3 again, yarn over, again front post. So 4 front post, then 5th one include this last chain 5. So yarn over. Last time I made chain 3 in here. Now I'm gonna make just the puff top of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, close. Now chain 3. Again puff here, same place. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, chain 3. Yarn over, same space, puff more. 1, 2, 3. Close them. So yarn over, front post, 5 front post, triple crochet, 5 front post, triple crochet. Okay, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again yarn over top of this puff. I'm gonna make puff 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Same space, puff 1, 2, 3. Close them. Again chain 3. Same space, puff 1, 2, 3. Close them. Then front post, triple crochet, 3, 4 and 1, 5th one. So I have 5 at the end. You can see how it's look like. So easy, not hard. This pattern. You can make scarf, baby blanket, shawl. This pattern is pretty good for many projects. Again 1, 2, 3. Front post, front post, front post. So chain 3 now. one row you need to make, then top of this and third middle one, top of the middle one, make single crochet stitch. Okay. 1 2 3, chain 3, yarn over, front post. Two, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, top of the middle one, make single crochet, chain 3, front post, triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, then fifth one and 1, like this. I'm gonna continue like this. 1 2 3, front post. Always you have to make like 5 in here, always, because this chain 3 is include as a first. Triple crochet, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm gonna make here puff, 1 2 3, close, chain 3, same space, puff, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So yarn over, front post, so here chain 3, same space, 1 2 3, close. So we will, okay viewers, my pattern is, and now I'm gonna stop in here. I made just small model, so it's so easy. I hope you will like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for nice compliment. This, it has both sides same, so I hope you will like it.